Thank you for taking the time to look at our inventory today. Today we'll be going over the 29.5 BHD 2022 Jayco Eagle. One thing you're going to see is that there's a lot of space and a lot of storage in this particular unit. Also with a large size bunk beds with a lot of storage. Follow me. As you walk up to the unit, the first thing that you're going to notice is that you have the solid step with a nice handle right here, making it easy to get up and down the stairs. You're going to have a large size awning that goes pretty much the whole size of the coach. And as you walk back here, one thing you're going to find is that you have a nice cover. So if you decide that you want to barbecue while it's raining or want to hang out, while it's sunny, okay, you have a nice storage compartment with the LP connection right underneath and a mount where you can mount your barbecuer. If you walk around the coach, another thing you're going to find is that once again there's more storage right underneath. This is going to be directly underneath the bunk beds that are inside. Let's go inside and take a look. A couple of my favorite features that you're going to see as soon as you come into this particular unit is it has a nice open floor plan. You have a nice dinette right here, okay, and as you walk to the back, they have the couch set up in the correct place directly in front of the TV, okay. You'll also see that you have a nice large refrigerator and a really nice size freezer as well. Right next to it, you're going to have the microwave, making it easy for the transition from your refrigerator to the microwave or from the refrigerator to your stovetop and or your oven. You get a lot of counter space right here, okay? And if you're going to be washing dishes or, washing your fruit or vegetables, you have a nice faucet with a spray faucet as well. If you walk right on back here, you'll have more storage for shoes, clothes, socks on both sides. And you got a nice step up to the closet as well. And as you're gonna see, you have 300 and 600 pound capacity bunk beds with some more storage back there as well. As you walk up to the front of the coach, you have a nice size mirror right here. You're gonna walk up the stairs. And you're gonna have access to the bathroom from both the bedroom and the living area. As you can see, you're gonna have a lot of head space getting in and out of that shower. And you also have a porcelain toilet. You got a really nice sink right here. And one of my favorite things about this particular coach is that they actually changed the color of the cabinets to make it feel more like a home where you have different colors in the cabinets rather than throughout the rest of the coach. If you walk on back to the bedroom, you'll see that you have more closet space right here. And a full-size walk-around queen-size mattress with the capabilities of putting a king-size mattress as well. You also have more storage right next to the bed on both sides. And you have light switches right up here where you don't have to get in and out of bed to turn off the lights. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory. My name is Gaston. If you have any questions on this unit or any other unit on our inventory, please feel free to reach out. My phone number is 541-810-2202. Thank you.